Most Airtable problems don't come from bugs, they come from bad permissions, too much access, wrong access, or access that was never removed. In this video, I'll show you how to manage permissions in Airtable step by step in 2026, the safe and correct way. All right. First, understand this. Permissions exist at three levels: workspace, base, and view. If you don't know which level you're changing, you can accidentally give too much access. Now, workspace permissions. Anyone added to a workspace can see all shared bases inside it. Workspace access should be limited to real team members only, not clients or temporary users. Next, base permissions. This controls who can view, comment, or edit a specific base. Always start with the lowest permission needed, then increase only if required. All right? Quick breakdown. Viewers can only see data, commenters can leave notes but can't change records. Editors can modify records and structure. Editors have real power, so keep this role limited. If someone only needs visibility, don't share the full base. Create a view, lock it down, and share that view only. This is the safest way to share data with clients or stakeholders. Now, editing control. Only allow editors to people who understand the base structure. Accidental field deletion or changes can break automations and views. Permissions are not set and forget. Regularly review who has access, remove old clients, past collaborators, or anyone who no longer needs entry. For collaboration, prefer comments over edits. Comments keep discussions visible without risking data changes. This is especially important for shared or client-facing bases, and that's how to manage permissions in Airtable properly. Clear roles, limited access, and regular reviews. Set this up once, and your data stays safe as your team grows.